Hi everyone, it's me, Angie again. Welcome back to my brand new channel that I'm still working on because I'm so brand new that I feel like a newbie to YouTube. But anyways, to the point, I am filming a tutorial today on this wonderful look that I'm so happy with. I'm using the Huda Beauty palette, the Neon Obsessions in orange. As you guys can see, look at this. Check it out real quick before we get started. That way you guys will want to continue to watch because this look was so easy to achieve. It was so fast, and I think it's so cute for summer, spring, and I feel like this look might look good on everyone because it's just cute. I started this video with my foundation and contour already done because I wanted to just make this video specifically about the eyeshadows, you know, like the look, not really about the base and all that. I have other videos about foundations, the routine of my foundation and contour and highlight and all that good stuff. But right now, let's focus on this beautiful orange look. I fell in love with it. I hope you guys like it as much as I did, and if you want to achieve it, follow along. Okay guys, so today we're using the Huda Beauty Neon Palette in orange. I'm so excited. The colors are beautiful, and I think I'm gonna go for the orange side more. As you can see, there's all kind of pinks and like a lime green and some glitters, but I'm in the mood for like a mostly all orange look. Okay, so this time I decided to do the eyebrows after because I want to keep them more natural, and doing the eyeshadow first and then the eyebrows kind of helps me like balance it out. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe, and I like taupe because it's not like brown, it's not like blonde, it's in the middle, it's kind of like a grayish tone that's not too warm. So I feel like that helps with keeping it, you know, more natural. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7.
listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into...
For eyelashes, I want to keep it simple since everything's toned down a little bit. I'm using these affordable eyelashes from, you know, like the local fashion stores. These are demi wispies, 100% human hair, so they go well.
No, 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 never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, me. Never gonna stop now, baby, yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo.
Okay, so I'm applying the same orangey blush right around the tip of my nose, and I want to get the blush right up here because I want it to look kind of like a sun-kissed look, not too much of a contour or that other styles of blushing. The shade name is Provocative from the Morphe palette, as you guys saw, and yeah, I just want to add a little more, you know, to go with this look. So cute. Always dust off the excess that you might applied after applying blush. You never want it to look harsh, of course. It helps it blend out a little bit, you know, and make it look more of a smooth transition. Also on the nose, just in case. And we're all good. Alright, so now time for some highlight. This time I'm gonna use the Be Bella Fairy Dust palette, and I'm gonna use my fingers this time to apply it because I want it to come through a little more. So using your fingers always applies more. And lately I've been a lot into blending with my fingers. It's something I've been into. Of course, don't forget the nose. And the Cupid's bow. I'll just go on the tip of my nose and then right in this part of the bridge. And that's it. Blend it together a little bit here. Same brush that I used to dust off my baking powder so it doesn't have any other makeup on. Oh yeah, girl. Ooh, look at that. Love it. For the glitter on the inner corners that I mentioned that I wanted to add, I'm gonna use this new product that I discovered thanks to a client. Well, not really my client. I was at a party and her cousin was using it, so they told me about this dupe for the Stila glitters. This one is called Miss Metal Glitter Shock. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, but they're the same, pretty much the same concept as the Stila glitters. So it's my first time using it. Let's see how it works. Oh wow, it really comes through. can see it right away. Nice. I hope it stays just as long as the Stila ones. Okay, so for the lips, I am going to use the Morphe Love Bite lip liner. I love it because it's such a neutral brown and it always looks good. Okay, now for the lipstick. You get to use this beautiful, beautiful lipstick from Huda Beauty. Also, we're sticking to her brand today, and this is in the shade Anniversary. This is from the Bulletproof Lipsticks, and it's just so perfect. I feel bad using it. Look at that shape, you guys. Like, look at the tip of that lipstick. It's so smooth. You can see the texture, and I just love how it blends with the packaging. I think that's so awesome. Anyways, I guess I have to use it, huh? Do I have to use you? Do you want me to use you? Okay, fine, I will. Alright. Start messing around, y'all. Oh, it's so creamy. Smells good. Feels so good on my lips. Oh my god, and look at that color. Kind of made my lips look bigger too. The Huda lipsticks are $25 each, you know, so they are a little pricier than others. I know other lipsticks and liquid lipsticks by most big brands are between $18 to $20. These are $25, but honestly, the quality is amazing. The packaging is great, and it feels so good. So I wouldn't mind paying $25 for a good lipstick that's gonna probably last you a long time if you take care of it, even if you use it a lot. Lipsticks usually last a long time. Let's see this. Yeah, there's a good amount of product in there, and yeah, I don't see why not. I mean, when you have something good, it's worth the price. Okay, it seems I'm done with applying my makeup, so we're gonna go with the setting spray from Morphe that I love so much because it's such a thin mist. It doesn't wet your face. It's just so misty and it smells so good. Oh my god, give it to me. Yes, honey. Yes, get in there. Oh, I love it. And my clients love it too. Every time I spray them, it looks so refreshed. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? You know, I even got the little yellow clips in there for you. Hey, complete the look. Or for myself, really, but you know what I mean. It's like, you know, it kind of reminds me of sunset vibes. It doesn't have any pink in there, but it definitely has the 2 tones of orange. It has that yellow. It has some glow, some glitter. It's such a go-to, and as you guys saw, it was so simple. I didn't do anything tricky, crazy eyebrows, concealed eyebrows, or cat eyes, no liquid eyeliners. I feel like anybody should be able to achieve this look at home. And definitely another shout out to this wonderful little palette from Huda Beauty. I fell in love with it. I just think it's genius. Oh, it was upside down. Yeah, she has 2 more. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but there's also the pink one and the lime green. I checked them out. I fell in love with the orange one. Anyways, I love the look. I feel like I want to go like stroll around the beach or something. You know, enjoy the sun-kissed look. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please. I know my channel is brand new. This is my second or third video. And yeah, I'm just kicking it off with videos, you know. There's not much to it but to do it. And I'm just gonna be posting whenever possible. And I mean, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, thumbs up.